Hello, everyone. Welcome to ReplyRush. Today, we're talking about the Global Triggers feature, one setup that runs your automation across post, reel, story, ads, and inbox. Go to Global Triggers and click Add New Global Trigger. There are two trigger types, keywords and all comments. If you want to reply only on a specific word, like link, go with keywords. If you want to reply on every comment, go with all comments. Now here's something important. Even if your post or reel isn't individually linked to the global trigger, it doesn't matter. If a comment comes in on an unlinked post, the DM still goes out automatically based on the global trigger's settings. So there's no need to go into every single post and set things up separately. One thing to remember, each channel can only be linked to one all comments trigger at a time. Say you turned on post/reel and story in your first trigger. When you go to create a second all comments trigger, both of those will show as disabled because they're already in use. Inbox, live and sponsored ad are still free, so you can turn those on in the new trigger. And if all the channels get used up in one go, you simply can't create a new all comments trigger anymore. You'll have to use keywords instead. There's also an exclude keywords option, so automation won't fire on negative words like bad, horrible, disappointed. In configuration, you can turn on post, reel, story, inbox, live, and sponsored ad all together, or customize each one separately. Let's go through the settings below. Turn on comment auto-reply, and it replies publicly to the comment, plus sends a DM. Turn on no DMs, and only the public reply goes out, no DM. Engagement Starter sends a welcome message before the main DM, so the conversation starts off naturally. Email Collector gathers the user's email for you, useful for leads. Follow Gated DM asks users who don't follow you to follow first before they get the main link. Suggest More shows extra cards after the first reply. Turn on Send once, and the same user won't get repeated DMs. Reply Time lets you add a delay, so the response feels natural instead of robotic. Now let's go to Message, Media Template. Here you can pick from Media Template, Text Message, Quick Replies, No DM, Media Attachment, Button Template, Post Share, Product Template, or Lead Generation, whichever message type fits. I've selected Media Template. Here you'll enter the URL and add it to the button, and if you want another button, you can add that too. Fill in the details, and your template's ready to go out in the DM. Now let me show you this live. First, we'll check it on a post, then a story, then the inbox. So that was ReplyRush's Global Triggers feature. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thanks so much for watching.